दोस्तों अभी मैं जाके आया हूँ तारकेश्वर मंदिर और अंजनवेल लाइट हाउस। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा होगा तो मैं आई बटन में दे दूँगा, वहाँ से आप वो वीडियो पहले देख सकते हैं। उसके बाद ये वीडियो कंटिन्यू हो रहा है और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं गोपालगढ़ देखने के लिए, और गोपालगढ़ देखने के बाद उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे गुहागर बीच देखने के लिए। हम लोग तारकेश्वर मंदिर से अभी जा रहे हैं गोपालगढ़। गोपालगढ़ वहाँ से अराउंड 1.5 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है, बहुत नज़दीक है वहाँ से। तो चलो दोस्तों चलते हैं।
Yeah, you don't see that I will get it, cause I'm really focused, man, I make it with the rap and I just follow my path, I just follow my passion. To me, this is what's precious, yeah, in my soul, man, I can feel it, so every single verse, man, I just gotta go and kill it, man, I gotta be the kid, I could be the guy, taking you wild, I could be the villain, what good is a kid, lately I'm painting my path on my way, yeah, I got no time that I can waste, so I've been sitting in the space, yeah, making rest every day.
दोस्तों सामने ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ये है गोपालगढ़।
You don't know what I'm gonna do, you don't know what is next, and I'm loving the fact, truly it's making me blessed, cause I work on my team, no snakes in the grass, and we have a trust in the wind, because of the work that we did in the past, because of the work that we did in the past, when we went to hours, we barely got breath, so I get the realm and we didn't finesse, so I got the feelings that we might be next, cause when we go in, we win in the match.
दोस्तों गोपालगढ़ के बारे में थोड़ा जान लेते हैं। गोपालगढ़ को गोपालगढ़ और अंजनवेल गढ़ के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। दोस्तों माना जाता है इस किले का उपयोग दाभोळ बंदर पे ध्यान रखने के लिए किया जाता था। दोस्तों अगर किले के बारे में आपको और जानना है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने लिंक दे दी है, वहाँ से आप चेक कर सकते हैं।
Because of the work that we did in the past, when we went to hours, we barely got breath, so I get the realm and we didn't finesse, so I got the feelings that we might be next, cause when we go in, we win in the match, when we go in, we win in the match, so that's how we do, cause we be the best, we be the best, yeah, we be the best, yeah, we be the best, we be the best, hey, yeah, we be the best, hey, we be the best, yo, you wanna come and test, you want to see we the best, hey. You don't see that with a basket, so I suggest you never really come and test it. But otherwise, I will smack your face like Michael Jordan does with a ball in the basket. Oh damn kid, but you didn't expect it. You never really thought that this could just happen. But now really come on and we pull out with the action. Cause people defeat those they don't get it like.
दोस्तों गोपालगढ़ किला तो हम लोग ने घूम लिया, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं गुहागर बीच देखने के लिए। तो चलते दोस्तों गुहागर बीच देख लेते हैं। दोस्तों अभी हम लोग पहुँच चुके हैं गुहागर बीच। यहाँ पर अभी देखेंगे क्या है घूमने के लिए, बीच पे थोड़ा घूमेंगे। ना तो बस लेना साहब, बस लेना तो बाइक पर
fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. Oh, if only we could understand the breath. It's possible that we may never know the depth. And now it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of night in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. It's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now. An emptiness so vast yet so complete. It makes me feel so small standing on my feet. Just a speck of light, so discreet. Nothing really matters, it's a deceit. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now in the Milky Way. Oh, if only we could understand the breath. It's possible that we may never know the depth. And now it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of night in the Milky Way.
दोस्तों वीडियो कैसी लगी, अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, और बाजू का बेल आइकन है उसको भी दबा देना। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। बाय बाय।